In this video, we're going to be talking about how to overcome social anxiety. Wouldn't it be sweet if you could cure your anxiety by saying a magic spell and all your worries would just vanish? It certainly isn't that easy. But for today, we brought you a special video that should help you overcome your social anxiety. Struggling to hold on to your emotions while around other people isn't something all of us are good at. But all it takes is a little self-care that will set things right. This video is godsend that we're going to help you in more than one way. So let's dive in. Be optimistic. Look at the bright side of things. Start thinking and acting positively. Being optimistic gives you a hope that there are better things to come, and the tough period you're going through is just temporary. Radiating positivity. If you want to become socially confident, then you need to uplift the people around you. There is nothing better than a person who motivates people to improve. People love that kind of person. So transform yourself into that person. Healthier lifestyle. Stop pulling all these all-nighters for no reason at all. Build a healthy and happy lifestyle around yourself. Keeping yourself on the healthier page of things is going to keep your mind happy as well. It is no question that the mind and the body are linked. So when one is doing well, the other one benefits from it. Social interactions. Start interacting with people in social gatherings and events. The more you meet people, the more confidence you'll have brewing inside of you. This will lead you to meet more people without any hesitation, and you'll be getting along with strangers pretty easily. Be confident. Confidence is something that not many people possess. Being confident around a large gathering does well for the person and their self-confidence. Interaction with others is a huge step to overcoming the parasite of social anxiety. Do something you like. When anxious, do something that you love doing. Play video games, watch a movie, or listen to your favorite songs. Having anxiety is completely fine, but knowing how to combat it is the real deal. And doing your hobbies are a great way to get rid of your anxiety for the time being and make you feel more relaxed. Don't be too hard on yourself. Nobody is perfect in this world. This is why you shouldn't be too hard on yourself if your anxiety is difficult to let go of. Everything takes time to get better, so if you don't give yourself time and keep putting yourself down, then you won't be able to lift yourself up. Social anxiety is a curse that traumatizes people for life. But this is where your strength, grit, and determination comes into play. You shouldn't give in at any cost, because as long as you believe in yourself and follow the steps mentioned above, you will get rid of your anxiety in no time. That's all we have for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so you never miss a video from us.